So today's tip of the day is don't let the markets take your gains away from you. You have to learn to preserve your capital. So what I mean by this is whenever you have a trade and the trade's going in your favor, and say for example you've gained $1,000 or thousand whatever currency you're trading in terms of profit. Now the markets not always will go into your favor where it'll keep rising and rising and your gains keep increasing. So it may increase for 2 days at a stretch, 3 days at a stretch. But after a while, you'll see these gains decline. And it would then go from 1,000 to 800 to 600 to 400. Now, you should never ever let these gains go down to an extent that you're not comfortable with, and you should not be comfortable with it. Well, and the way you would try to overcome that is by having a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. My preference is a trailing stop loss, and what that would do is at a certain percentage of a decline. So for example, if your decline percentage is 4% or 5% or 10%, you can then use that decline to let the market take you out automatically, and that's what the trailing stop loss would do for you. So always keep in mind that whenever you trade, always have some kind of a stop loss mechanism so that you can exit the trade with a profit and not just wait for the market to go down to zero and then like decide, oh, what am I going to do now? So that's something you should always keep in mind whenever you're trading. And another tip for you is if possible, and if you don't find a good trade, stay out of the market. You do not always have to be participating in the market to gain something and get some additional dollars from the market. So if you feel that the market's not playing good for you or it's not favorable for you, stay out of it, and that way you can gain more capital by not losing money in the process too. So hope this was helpful, hope this was valuable to you in your trading journey. So do stay tuned for more videos coming up, and I'll see you in another video.